Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa. Today I'm going to be doing this eye makeup look, and I think it's a beautiful pastel kind of eyeshadow look. I use the Anastasia Soft Glam palette for the colors that are in my crease, and for the pop of color on my lid I use the Makeup Forever shadow. I will list it right here on the bottom of the video. I love it. I really think like purples and pastel purples like lilacs look beautiful on brown eyes. I really think it just makes brown eyes pop. So I'm really excited to show you guys this look. Please keep on watching if you want to see how I got this look. Right now I'm just priming my eye, and now I'm setting it with those two light shades. Now I'm taking burnt orange and I'm applying that with a really fluffy brush all over my crease. Now I'm taking sienna, which is a little bit darker, on a brush that's just a little bit more dense, and I'm applying that again right in my crease, right under that lighter shade. Now I'm taking dusty rose, which is like a mauvey purple kind of color, and I'm applying that also in my crease just to add a little bit more darkness in the corner. Now I'm cleaning up my lid with that same primer that I used on my eye, and I'm just kind of shaping out where I want to put the lilac color. Now I'm taking that lilac color and applying it all over my lid. Just because I want it to look a bit more opaque, I'm just using my finger and going right over so I can have some more color payoff. Now I'm mixing burnt orange and sienna, and I'm going right over my crease just to make sure everything is blended together. This is the final look. I just added some winged eyeliner and some lashes. Alright everybody, so that is pretty much it for my makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.